Yeah, please go ahead, Parthaji.
Yeah, good morning, everyone. Let me start the slide first.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. And I must say that Monal Choksi sir have given his endless effort in last few days to ensure the success of this program. Um, we like to welcome you all in the Swimming Coaches Knowledge Series 1, an exciting and innovative coach online learning program with 25 workshops of different topics launched by Sports Authority of India and Swimming Federation of India. I like to mention few dignitaries' name whose vision and endless effort ensures the launch of this knowledge series. Our Secretary of Sport, Mr. Rohit Bharadwaj, Mr. Sandeep Pradhan, Director General, Sports Authority of India, Mr. Shiv Sharma, Regional Director, Sports Authority of Sports Authority of India. For Swimming Federation of India, Mr. Virendra Nanavati, Executive Director of Swimming Federation of India, Senior Vice President of Indian Olympic Association, Senior Vice President, Technical Team FINA. Mr. Monal Choksi sir, General Secretary, Swimming Federation of India. Lockdown. Lockdown is a very challenging thing for all of us, especially coaching community. We coaches, we always enjoy to be on the deck, be with the kids, surrounded by the kids, surrounded by the parents, and close to the water. Now, this is where we don't have water, we don't have any pool, we don't have any student directly communicating with us, except, of course, the online support system. So, mentally, it is very difficult for us to stay cool and calm in the lockdown period. However, I also treat this as an opportunity for us. It's an opportunity for us to think. We don't get enough time to think during our coaching time because we are surrounded by many activities. We are surrounded by many responsibilities, either from swimmer, either from parents, club, state, national, employers, everywhere. We don't manage to plan enough. So it's a time for us to get the input and to give the input, to get the idea and give the idea in the process of thinking. We can plan now, we can think, we can plan for short-term goal, for a long-term goal. What do we want to achieve? How we want to achieve? And then we can draft a structure for post-lockdown period, which of course is going to help us to deliver better because we are spending enough time in our thinking and planning process at this time. And of course, after lockdown, we are going to execute the same. This Swimming Coaches series has been formed to ensure that you get the support system to do a better think, to do a better planning, to get a better structure, and of course, we expect you to execute better, getting all the areas. The topics of this whole program or of this whole series has been divided into 5 important parts to ensure not only you develop your skill in coaching, you also develop every aspect what will make you a better coach, not only for present, also for future, with all the expert dignitaries in our speaker series. Our topic starts with building strong skills. We have 5 lectures in this series. The first lecture is Fundamental of Swimming Coaching, which will be conducted by eminent coach Nihar Amin, recipient of Dronacharya Awardee. He is the head coach of Dolphin Aquatic. He has produced many outstanding international swimmers from India, including 2 Asian Games medalist swimmers. Our next topic will be long axis stroke. Those who don't know what is long axis stroke, freestyle and backstroke generally called as long axis stroke. And this series will be conducted by Coach Peter Cartswell. He is also my colleague. He is the head coach of Glenmark Aquatic Foundation, Mumbai. Coach Peter Carswell have the experience of coaching an Olympic medalist swimmer when he was in Australia. Our third topic is short axis stroke, which is basically breaststroke and butterfly stroke. Coach Miguel Lopez, one of the outstanding person, very friendly and a good friend of mine, will be conducting the same. He's the head coach of Tanyapura and he's the head of FINA development program, which is giving wonderful result in past many years. Our next topic is techniques, start, turn and finish, will be conducted by Ilya Gusakov. Ilya Gusakov is the analytic coach and we are honored to have her. She is a Kazakhstan Olympic team coach also. Of course, we kept the best for the last one. Will be conducted by our national coach, Coach Pradeep Kumar. Adaptation in stroke pattern and pacing, distance versus sprint. It's a very good topic. Coach Pradeep Kumar is a Dronacharya awardee. He have given wonderful performance and driven many swimmer and coaches to perform better for future. He got many Indian swimmer in the Olympic level, in the international level, and of course, many national medalist swimmers. The second part of this series work with element of coaching design, structure, and analysis. There are 5 topics to be discussed in this series after, of course, we finish the first topic. The first topic in this series is energy system in training and racing, to be conducted by Coach Chris Martin. Coach Chris Martin is the head national coach of Malaysian team. Those who do know that 2 months back, Coach Chris supposed to come here and organize a FINA coaches clinic. Unfortunately, at last moment, it didn't manage to work out, but we are honored to have him and taking few of the classes and give his expert view in energy system. Our next topic is principle of long-term athletic development program, to be conducted by Parth Varanasi, who's the head coach of Varanasi Swimming Academy. Parth Varanasi also have coached many top national swimmers, and he also got a BCAT Olympic swimmer. The next topic is periodization, importance and approach, which will be conducted by me. Those who know that I am the head coach of Sai Glenmark National Center of Excellence. The next topic is use of technology in technique assessment and analysis. Again, this is the second topic of Ilya Gusakov, who's an analytic coach and Kazakhstan Olympic team coach. The last topic in this part 2 is importance of recovery in training and racing fundamentals and tools, to be conducted by Nikhil Late. Now, Nikhil is a sports scientist and physiotherapist in Sportsmed Active. All the details about these speakers, we will inform you later. Our third part of this series comes with ideas and guidelines. It will help you to get more ideas, and of course, it will give you the basic guideline of swimming coaching like talent identification and what are the current FINA rules. In this field, the first topic is developing an elite swimmer, to be conducted by Coach Chris Martin, who's the national team coach of Malaysia. Talent identification perspective, early and late developers, to be conducted by Rashde Worley. Rashde Worley is CEO of Inspired Institute of Sport. Coach Mr. Rashde will be having a clinic at 11 o'clock today at Facebook Live, conducted by Sports Authority of India. So if you want to visit that, you're most welcome to do that. We are honored to have our next topic, current FINA rules, conducted by Mr. Virendra Nanavati, Executive Director of Swimming Federation of India, Senior Vice President of Indian Olympic Association, Senior Vice President Technical Team FINA. He has been a guardian for the sports for a long time, and in service to sport, is unparalleled. We are blessed to hear from him and treat this as a great opportunity for us to see his session live. The next topic is grouping and class for different level, practice and challenges to be conducted by Tapan Kumar Panigrahi, a very eminent former coach of Sports Authority of India who has produced multiple national and international level swimmer. The next topic is strength and conditioning, when and how, to be conducted by Declan Liato. Now, Declan Liato is a strength and conditioning specialist in RxDX Sports Medicine Center, Bangalore. The next topic is an important topic, which is group discussion for day-to-day challenges. It's going to be a question and answer series to be conducted by another of my colleagues, Mr. Bhushan Kumar, who's the head coach of Glenmark Aquatic Foundation, Bangalore. Bhushan have created many national and international swimmer, including open water swimmer in international level also. Transition from an elite swimmer to coach. No one will be a better example than Sandeep Sejwal. Sandeep Sejwal is an Asian Games medalist swimmer and Arjun awardee. He is presently coaching in Otters Club, Mumbai. It will be a wonderful opportunity for all of you to have that topic. Our next part of this series is coaching beyond the pool. Now, this is very important for coaches because we are not only limited with the deck, with the swimming pool. We also need to understand there are many other factors which is very important in our sport in modern days. And the first topic is mind training. It will be conducted by Mrinal Chakraborty, pros mental toughness trainer, he is associated with Indian team in many sports like table tennis, hockey, football, etc. He got his master in HRM for United Kingdom. The second part is doping. We will let you know the speaker. And the third topic in the series is nutrition, which is very, very important for coaches, and we should understand the basic of it. This will be conducted by Shreya Chakraborty. She is a sports nutritionist of Sports Authority of India, posted in National Center of Excellence. Last but not the least, the most important topic, something for your coaching toolbox. Now, this is very, very important because we need to innovate. We are also innovators, in my view, coaches. So we need to get more ideas and ensure that that should help us to do a better coach, deliver better performance for future. In this series, the following 4 topics are there. The first topic is challenges as a swimmer, past versus present. Past will be conducted by Rohan Poncha. Rohan Poncha is an Olympian and Arjun Award winner. Rohan also a great speaker and mind trainer. And for present, Veer Dhaval Khare, Olympian, Asian Games medalist, Arjun Award winner, and he is presently doing wonder. He is one of the swimmer of India who is very close to A-cut timing for Olympic. The next topic is social recognition of swimming and need for aquatic education, to be conducted by Hakimuddin Habibullah. Hakimuddin Habibullah has been an Olympiad in the year of 2000. He is the founder of Winning Matter Consulting Private Limited, who are deeply connected to develop Indian swimming. The next is development strategy for competitive swimming in India. We have Monal Choksi sir, Secretary General of Swimming Federation of India, conducting this class. He is one of the main architects to design this program for coaches to ensure that we all gain and become better coach for future. Our next topic is Safe You and Safer Me, conducted by Swimming Matters, of course, supported by Hakimuddin Habibullah and his team. Now, when we are talking about all these topics, we have to have certain amount of rules. And these are the rules of why we want all the coaches to maintain. Our first rule, participants, 1 second. A first rule, participant will have their speaker and video muted on joining by the host. So the host will ensure that the video and speaker will be muted, and this is also done to ensure that you get clear sound and better quality of the speaker, video quality of the speaker or the presentation, except speaker and moderator, of course. And we do request everyone, because even today we saw that there are few login name which is not your name, it is either your mobile's name or some other arbitrary terms. So we request everyone to please log in with your name and also mention your place of posting in that. The second is, during question and answer session, if any question need to be asked, we request you to put that on chat box or Q&A box. The speaker will answer the same as per his or her preference. Now that also means that we do request you to refrain yourself to post normal greetings during the session, because this will interfere with the actual question asked and speaker may not able to view that. We do request everyone to ensure that you join at least 10 minutes before the stipulated time to ensure smooth running of the sessions. Avoid joining in the middle of the session. And it's also for your information that a sports science session will happen in the afternoon session from 5 p.m. A sports science session will happen in the afternoon from 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. The ID is already mailed to you, but those who didn't see that, the ID is mentioned here. It is compulsory for all the participants to attend that session. Here comes the reward part. Expectation, our expectations, and your rewards. The objective of this education series is to develop your coaching knowledge. So please ensure 100% attendance. Please ensure that you all attend all the sessions for your own benefit. Coaches will be getting a participation certificate. That's a very good news for all of us. After the completion of series, of course, subject to attendance. At the end of the series, there will be a quiz contest with prizes. Question would be based on the topic discussed. So please pay full attention in all the topics. And last but not the least, we do prefer laptop or desktop rather than mobile phone, because it will have a bigger screen, so you can have a better vision and understand the presentation properly. Let us all learn and apply our learning to become